This is a booster pack, which means it's got 4 questions, but question 1 is essentially 10 equations that you then solve, and they are what's called AO1 questions. You're basically just using your knowledge, so I'm not going to go through those. Besides, they'd be randomly generated, they'd be different to yours anyway. So we're forming equations first of all. Let's think about what each of these are saying. The original cost is C, that's what I'm just going to focus on first, and we've got that over here. Now we're taking something away from C, which means we're taking something away from the original cost. What are we taking away from the original cost? We're taking away £10. That means that's that. The sale price of the coat is £55. Well, that's our only box left, that must be 55. So after we took away £10, it was 55. So before we took away £10, if we undo taking away £10, which means we're adding £10, it gives us the cost of 65. Okay. The cost of a taxi fare is a fixed charge of £2.70 plus £3 per mile. So £3 per mile means that the number of miles must be times by 3. So £3 per mile. £3 per mile, £3 times the number of miles, and there is a fixed charge, which means you always have to pay this. We're adding it on to whatever the cost of the journey is, £2.70, and a journey of a certain number of miles costs to £26.70. That must be okay. We then solve this by taking away £2.70, giving us £24, and then dividing by 3, giving us 8. Luke is X years old. Kate is half Luke's age. Adam is 5 years younger than Kate. Adam is 4 years old. So let's think about what we're doing. What are we dividing here? Well, dividing is the same as halving, so we're dividing by 2. And then Adam is 5 years younger, so we're subtracting 5. Adam's age. Adam is 4 years old. Okay, now we can solve this equation. Add on the 5, that gives me 9, and then 9 is what we got when we halved it, so our final answer is 18. Luke is 18 years old. This kind of question are very common in GCSE papers. It's a good thing we've got some to go through here. You need to know some facts. What facts do we need to know? We need to know facts about angles in an isosceles triangle. We need to know that angles in a triangle add up to 180, and we need to know that the angles that are at the end of the equal side are also equal. So this angle here is also x plus 20. That means that x plus 20 add x plus 20 add 58 equals 180. Let's simplify that. 2x add 98. Remove the constant, which is 98. Remove the coefficient, which is 2. 41. X is 41. If you wanted to, you could then substitute that back in and say, well, x plus 20, that's 41 plus 20, 61. 61, add 61, add 58. Does that make 180? Yes, it does. This equation here, we're looking at the area of trapezium. That's no longer given in a GCSE exam paper. You need to remember it, which is base add top, the two parallel sides added together. So let's add the two parallel sides. 3z add 36. Multiplied by the height divided by 2. You need to know that formula. It tells you that the area is 252, and then we solve that equation. So first of all, we double it, which gives us 8, 3z, 36 equals 504, sorry. Then we divide by 8. 63. Then we subtract 36. And finally we divide by 3. I did all that very quickly, but the thing we're focusing on here is using the geometrical context. Okay, final question. We've got a number pyramid, and we've got to do a number pyramid, you add the two numbers in the blocks below. So for example, this block is 2 add 6, which is 8. This block is 2n, take away 2, add 2. That's 2n, add 0. Okay, which means that this one is 2n, add 8. Okay. The top entry is equal to 288. We have our equation, 2n add 8 equals 288. So 2n is 280, n is 140. In my head, anyway. Jennifer is X years old. I'm going to start writing a table or a little list straight away. So Jennifer is X years old. Max is 8 years younger than Jennifer. So is his age bigger or smaller? It's smaller. X take away 6. Chris is 3 times Max's age. And 8 years older than Jennifer. So we could also say that Chris is Jennifer add 8. Now, is Chris's age equal to Chris's age? Well, yes, because Chris is the age he is. So which equation shows that this is equal to this? I don't know where I got 6 from. This is where I wish I was in front of a class, because you guys would tell me that I'd got that wrong. So which one are we looking for? X add 8. 3 times x take away 8. Be this one here. Apologies for the small daftness there. It's very late and I need a cup of tea.